Hi guys, received a parcel today from Steve, aka Pick Wizard. It was a competition I won in the week. It's a Abus Inox. As you know, I'm not very good at single pin picking, so I'll give it a try. To be honest with you, it's possibly one of the easiest ones I've ever picked, which surprised me. Either that or my single pin picking's getting better. I'll use a Dino, I think it's called a half diamond. Okay, pop that in like I've noticed with this one, if you pop it into the back, take the back pin first and then the next pin, let's make the liar out of me. There you go. It has been picking open much quicker than that. So that's with the Dino. Then I thought I'd get the infamous clon out. I do enjoy using the clon. With the clon, I must be honest, it's just a doddle. It just flies open. There you go. With the clon, just goes open instantly. And then I thought I'd have a go at raking again with a Dino. I think this Dino set I bought off UK Lock Sports. I think one of the lads was selling it for a couple of months ago. Looks the part, like a nice metallic blue. Anyway, we'll try on that. There you go. So we've got it single picked with a Dino half diamond. We've had it cloned, and we've had it, well, don't know what it's called, jiggled, raked, snaked, whatever you call it. But yeah, thanks very much, Steve. I'll have a little bit more of a play once I'm finished. I'll pass it on to somebody else. Thanks again. Cheers.